Hello, Namaste. So this is the part 3 of the video. So now here what you have learned is that size of fingers. So as you can see in the screen, the size of finger look like this one. So here as I have explained earlier, that 10:8 is a normal palm you can see, and the 10:7 is the shorter one, and the 10:9 is the longer one. And I have described about these qualities earlier, and here just the visual explanation of that one. And size of finger define the depth of thinking. So how long is your fingers are, then that defines also how much deeply you think about something. And also if you have the longer finger, so you will think about the task in very deep and very serious way. And also another factor, if you have a short size of finger, then you will do your work more quickly. And it also says that if you do work quickly and you are also can able to perform multiple tasks at a time. And that kind of person may not be stable in his or her life. And also there might be a stage where the person will be careless, but you can see the person will be mainly focusing on the quantity of task. Also if you have a long finger, it says that you will have the good handwriting, because they are not quick people, like they will not go for quickly completing their task. So it says that they may have a good handwriting. And the shorter people, which I said they will be in a hurry and they will do multiple tasks at a time, so you may see that their handwriting are not so good. So this was the size of finger. So let's go to the another part, which is the nail. So with the help of color of a nail, we can analyze someone's health condition. And firstly we can see if you have a pink color nail, so you are a very hopefully and hopeful kind of person. You will think that yeah, hopefully it will work and all, and you will be healthy because you have the good circulation of blood in your palm. And if you have the red one, then it will say that you have a high blood pressure and you will get temper very easily. And if you have kind of white nails in your as you can see, so it says that person will be anxiety and unstable, and they may have anemic, which says to be less blood vessels in their veins. And another one, if you have a yellow color on your nails, which says that you will have a pale body or pale structure, or you will be a kind of weak person, and there might be a liver related problem. And if you have blue color or violet color nails, but very like if it is coming in natural way, like if you are in a cold position and something like that, in that case if it is blue, then it is a normal one. But in case if it is not naturally, so it says that you are a kind of tired person, very sad person, or you may be in a depression. So again the next one, which comes as a spot on nails. So you may have seen that there will some of the people have the white spot on their nail, so it generally says about the lack of calcium. And another one, lines on nails. So as you can see in the diagram, there are vertical lines and horizontal lines. So vertical line, what it says that you may have that joint pain, back pain or hip pain at that time. At that moment you may have this kind of situation that occurring currently. And if you have a horizontal line, as you can see in the diagram, it's generally describe about your emotional stress. So for this to overcome this horizontal line emotional stress, you can use a moonstone that may be beneficial for you. Another one about the shape of nails. Generally nails are the window to the heart. So your whatever the size of nail that you have, then it will describe about your like how much you are big hearted people, or how carefully you are for someone. So if you have a big nails, like as you can see in the diagram. Like this big nails describe about big heart, and can that kind of person can accept new ideas, and they generally don't go for quarrel. Like they will get be away from the quarrels. And in the second part, which is the small nails, and this kind of people are not ready to accept new ideas quickly. So they may be not accepting someone's opinion or thought very quickly, and they are ready to fight. Like this kind of people are ready to fight in any situations. And if you have very small nails, so as you can see in the diagram, it is very small nail. So it is like very small heart, and it is not very expressive person, and this kind of person cannot accept new ideas. Like they will not accept only, and they may find fault in others. So they are quickly judging peoples, and they find fault in others. If you can see this kind of sign in someone's palm, or if you have observed in someone's life, then they have this kind of quality. And another one is just narrow or conical or almond shape nails, and this kind of person have a broken heart, and they think they were not given right chance for something, and they are very self-pitying kind of person. And also with this kind of thing, and if you have a round nails, like you can see in the diagram that there are a round curve which is present in the corners of that nails. So this generally tells about how you make friendship with others. It also gives you a social nature and social life to you, and this kind of people are easily can make friends with anyone. And this is about what about the nails and the fingers. So in the later video, in the next video, like we will go for the each finger. Like first will be the, like we have the fingers. First is the thumb. For the first finger, it is said to be Jupiter, second is Saturn, third is Sun, fourth is Mercury, this is the Venus. And we will analyze this fingers first, then we will go for the respective mounts. So if you like this video, you can thumbs up to the video, and if you want some more video related to something like this series only, then you can subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.